What's she? Special?
Welcome to Shortcuts. You're hungry, you're in a rush, you got a Camp Bully to deal with.
If it isn't the two lovebirds.
She's such a jerk sometimes, isn't she?
Today we're paying tribute to the most electrifying scene in Sleepaway Camp, Judy's hot date with a curling iron.
Who is that?
Let's get twisted. It's so good, it'll leave a mark.
Well,
Catch the full episode of Cutting Room Kitchen for the main course.
I know a lot of things.
Take a sheet of puff pastry and slice it into thin strips. Take a frozen mozzarella stick and wrap a pastry strip around in the tight spiral, just like a heating element. Air fry at 400 degrees for 6 to 8 minutes until the cheese starts to scream. Ooze.
Don't you know girls mature before boys?
That's bullshit and you know it.
The dip, a spicy slasher marinara. Add extra cayenne and red pepper flakes for when you need a snack that really sizzles the skin. Air fried until golden and burnt in spots. The first thing you notice is the shatteringly crisp, buttery crunch. The contrast between light, airy pastry and heavy molten cheese pull is incredibly satisfying.
We still got a camp to feed here now, don't we?
Join us at camp where we'll be preparing the counselor's last supper. Like, subscribe, and you know the rest. Happy camping!